Hello everybody, Mad Mick here. What we're going to talk about today is the rectifier on the Zontes 310X and how to get to it. And what is a rectifier? Well, the bike, when you start the bike, has a generator which generates AC electricity as the bike's motor is running. That then is travelled up to the rectifier, and the rectifier changes it to DC power. Now you never get the generator to go wrong. They never go wrong. It's just a magnetic rotation, etc. Just generates current, AC current. But the rectifier could go wrong. Very rare, but they can go wrong. So this is just a video on how to actually get to where the rectifier is on the bike. If you need ever to change it. The rectifier, its job is to run all electrics on the battery with 12 volt supply and recharge the battery with 13.4 volts. The rectifiers themselves are not dear, they're only about £20. And you can get them from your Zontes dealer. All bikes have them. As you can see, just taking off the main panel there. Get to where the rectifier is, situated on the bike. The rectifier is only held on by 2 bolts, and you have to unclip the wire and connect it to it. Nice, easy job. Anybody can do it. So you don't have to go to your mechanic to do it. What you generally find if your rectifier has gone faulty is your battery won't charge, and your bike might not even start, or the lights on your bike will go dim because it's just generally running off the bike battery power rather than actually any surplus energy that the rectifier distributes around the bike through all the sucking things on the bike. Hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe, join our journey. This is Mad Mick. I'm going to sign off now and just let you watch the rest of the video.